Tonight's headlines: mayors warned on ditching face shield policy. Palace appeals to business owners to prevent crowds. Coronavirus cases in the country at 2,805,294. Over 28,000 alert level 2 violators reported in NCR. Northeast monsoon to bring cloudy skies and light rains. And 100,000 jobless Filipinos expected to return to work. Good evening. Today is Monday, November 8, 2021. I am Elmer Navarro Manuel and this is Tribune News on Cue. Here are the stories for this evening. The Palace on Monday warned mayors against defying the mandatory face shield policy for crowded and enclosed spaces, saying the policy remained in effect unless the government's pandemic task force says otherwise. Presidential spokesperson Harry Roque issued a reminder after the cities of Davao, Manila, Iloilo, among others, scrapped the policy outside of a hospital setting. Roque then said that the mandatory use of a face shield won't last forever. Earlier in the day, Chairperson Benjamin Abalos of the Metro Manila Development Authority said that Metro Manila mayors agreed that the use of a face shield was optional. Malacanang on Monday said crowd prevention in light of eased COVID-19 restrictions amid the pandemic is up to the public and owners of business establishments. Presidential spokesperson Harry Roque gave the reminder after throngs, mostly families, packed malls and other public places during the first weekend that Metro Manila is under Alert Level 2. Under the Alert Level 2, minors, even those unvaccinated, are allowed to go outside for leisure, provided that their guardians are fully vaccinated. Roque also called on the Department of Social Welfare and Development to be of assistance to street children who frequent the streets to beg for alms as Christmas season draws near. The Department of Health reported 2,087 confirmed coronavirus disease cases on Monday to bring the total number of infections in the country to 2,805,294, even as 8 laboratories failed to submit data on time. This brought the active cases to 32,077, and of the total, 64.7% are mild, 5.8% are symptomatic, 16.09% are moderate, 9.5% are severe, and 4.0% are in critical condition. The number of recoveries, on the other hand, rose to 2,728,696 after 3,510 patients recovered from the deadly disease. The death toll is now at 44,551 with 91 fatalities recorded. On the country's healthcare utilization, 42% of intensive care unit beds for COVID-19 patients are in use, while 31% of the isolation beds are utilized. Tribune News on Cue will be back after these reminders.
Boto mo to, Halalan 2022, the Daily Tribune special coverage.
Magandang araw mga katribo! Narito na ang mga makakasama nyo tuwing umaga sa programang Gising Na. Roy Pelovelo, Comfy Manalo, Atty. Lia Badillo Crisostomo, Vernon Velasco, Kim Sancha at Chirk Balagtas. Abangan ang programang Gising Na mula alas 8 hanggang alas 9 ng umaga sa Facebook page ng Daily Tribune.
Ilabas na ang mainit na kape at samahan kami sa inyong pag-almusal, mga katribo.
Sama-sama natin alamin ang mga natatagong istorya sa mga latest na kaganapan sa loob at labas ng bansa.
Simulan natin ang bawat umaga with good vibes sa mga informative and recreational segments ng aming programa.
Maaari niyo rin ibahagi sa amin ang inyong opinion via Daily Tribune Facebook page at Tribune Now sa YouTube. Makichika na rin sa latest showbiz happenings, mga katribo.
Kaya naman, magkita-kita po tayo mula Lunes hanggang Biyernes, alas 8 hanggang alas 9 ng umaga at magsama-sama po tayo sa
Gising Na!
Boto mo to, Halalan 2022, the Daily Tribune special coverage.
In other news, the Philippine National Police showed on Monday that a total of 28,348 COVID-19 Alert Level 2 violators were reported in the National Capital Region since the alert was put in place on November 5. From Friday to Sunday, the PNP said an average of 9,449 were violating COVID-19 health protocols daily. A total of 9,261 violators were reported on Sunday. Around 64% of the violators were given warnings, 33% were fined, while 2% faced other sanctions according to the PNP. A total of 25,761 violators, or 8,587 daily, violated minimum public health standards amid the COVID-19 pandemic, while a total of 2,587 curfew violators, or 862 per day, were reported in Metro Manila. State Weather Bureau Pagasa announced that a northeast monsoon will bring partly cloudy to cloudy skies with isolated light rains over Batanes and the Babuyan group of islands. In its 24-hour forecast, the Weather Bureau said Metro Manila and the rest of the country will have partly cloudy to cloudy skies with isolated rain showers or thunderstorms due to the easterlies or local thunderstorms. Pagasa advised affected residents to prepare for possible flash floods or landslides during severe thunderstorms. Meanwhile, moderate to strong winds and moderate to rough coastal water conditions will be experienced over extreme northern Luzon. And in business, Department of Trade Secretary Ramon Lopez said Monday that some 100,000 unemployed Filipinos are expected to return to the labor force amid the shift of quarantine restrictions in Metro Manila to Alert Level 2. According to Lopez, there were a total of 1.8 million individuals who lost their jobs due to the various quarantine restrictions implemented across the country, of which 100,000 remain unemployed. Under the current restrictions, establishments are allowed to operate indoors at 50% with additional 10% capacity if they have a safety seal. Outdoor capacity will be capped at 70%. Lopez said that it would be up to the establishments to ensure that their customers adhere to public health safety standards. That wraps up the stories tonight, and we would like to thank the SM Store, Araneta City, Mary Kay, Department of Tourism, and Overseas Community Affairs Council member Alan Lin of the Republic of China for their continued support. And before we go, it's 47 days before Christmas. Again, this is Elmer Navarro Manuel, and you're watching Tribune News on Q. Stay safe, stay healthy, and stay at home. Good night, and God bless us all.
Catch the latest news on our website, tribune.net.ph. Follow us on Facebook, Twitter, and Instagram. Subscribe to our YouTube channel, Tribune Now. Download the Daily Tribune app on Apple Store for iOS and Google Play for Android to get the latest and most comprehensive news online. Daily Tribune invites you to join its Viber community, Katribu, to get updates on the hottest news on politics, business, sports, lifestyle, and entertainment. Emoticons of the Tribune mascot Tarsito are available on our community Viber.